Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For the viewers, thank you for clicking this video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be explaining why your entries just suck, man. Why you just keep taking bad trades every single time, right? Now the reason, guys, one of the first reasons why your entries actually suck, number one is, guys, you're not using the strategy called the SDI entry model. If anything, guys, you're not even using the strategy, you're just entering blindly. You can't do that, man. You feel me? Now, the strategy that I use, guys, is called the SDI entry model. It's very simple to understand, guys. It simply means a shooting star and a doji candle, right? So S stands for shooting star, the DI stands for a doji candle. Now, how does this strategy work? It's very simple. Price needs to give you a doji candle, right, at our area of interest. Now, a doji candle, guys, can either be a small doji candle or a big body doji candle. The big body doji candle only qualifies for a doji candle if it's in the middle of both wicks. Now, when that happens, guys, if you're looking for buys, price needs to literally take out the low of that doji candle. Once it takes out the low, price then needs to give you your entry candle, which is now going to be the S, the shooting star. Literally that simple. And then you take your trade, boom, and then you enter. Now, I'm actually going to use this 4 examples right here to explain exactly what I mean. Very simple, guys. In the chart, you can see, boom, price came, gave a nice doji candle. This was our doji candle. When it gave that doji candle, guys, what happened? Price literally got swept, right? The low got swept by this candle right here. When the low got swept, that same candle that got swept was now our entry, which is now going to be the shooting star. And as you can see, the rest was history, right? Price literally bought all the way up here. Same thing to happen here, but in this case here, boom, price literally gives a doji candle right there, boom. Price then now sells and gives this shooting star right there. Now, when price gave this shooting star, another way, guys, to avoid getting stopped is by understanding that whenever you see an entry but you now see another doji candle close to it, like for example this one, or for example this one here, then your best bet will be either to put your candle literally above this candle or somewhere around here, or like at the close, either the open or the close, something like that, right? So in this case here, guys, imagine if you are putting your candle or your stop loss literally right there, you'd have literally enjoyed this trade. Why? Because this 1 to 2 risk to reward can literally be a 1 to 10, 1 to 12, depending on what you want, right? And then the second to the last entry. But you know what? You get my point, man. The point is this, guys, you don't have a good strategy that you're actually using. Now, the second thing is, guys, you don't understand what the trend is. You don't know where you are at the trend. Whenever you want to trade, just ask yourself, okay, where am I in the circle of the trading? Am I at the retracement phase? Am I at the consolidation phase? Or am I at the impulsive phase? And when you can understand that, guys, you can know when to use a small risk to reward or when to hold for a bigger risk to reward. You feel me? So this is basically, guys, one of the reasons why your entries suck, man, because you don't have the right strategies. You don't even know what the trend is. You don't know what the phase is. You really need to understand this phase and then take your trade. And guys, you don't know what the market structure is. You don't know when a trend has changed. You don't know when a trend is about to change. You don't know what a higher low is. See, guys, you really need to understand these lingos and understand how to identify them in the charts. You feel me? So I hope this short video really helped you guys. Like I said in my previous videos, I do have a Discord group. All right, click the first link. It's a free Discord group. Right, for the free members, you get 1 call every single week, and then for the paid members, you get my Signal group plus 1 call every single week, and then for everybody, you get daily emails from me. Right, so click the first link in the description, guys. Put in your real name, put in your real Gmail, so you can actually get personal emails from me. All right, guys, and I'll see you in a different video. Peace.